Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money being a virtual assistant. It's not as hard as many people think it is, and today we're talking about how you can offer this service yourself and start making money today. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, as I said, welcome to the episode. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can start making money right away being a virtual assistant. Now, what is a virtual assistant? Somebody who actually sits on the phone or online and does tasks that were given to them by their employer, the person that's hired them. They can get paid by the hour or they can be set up on a per task basis. You can offer this service on a number of different places like Fiverr, Rev, Upwork, LinkedIn, or any of the other job search sites. You can also post this as an opportunity in your social media pages so those who follow you there can be able to ask in or inquire on your services as well. Now, what are virtual assistant tasks that might be completed? Well, for instance, you could have a virtual assistant that takes care of checking your email for you and responding to viewer or customer questions. You could have them be somebody who does your errands for you while you do work. It could be somebody that goes out and checks your mail at a post office box. It can be somebody that manages your website for you. They could do your social media posts. There is a number of different tasks a virtual assistant can do. And as I said, they can be paid by the hour or by the task. It's entirely up to the person hiring them as well as what is needed. Everybody's different when it comes to being a virtual assistant. Some of them prefer being paid by hour. Some of them might just be looking for helping out somebody to make a few bucks for the day and doing a one-time task. So it's entirely up to you. You could post your services out there on the various different platforms with what exactly it is you're looking to do as a virtual assistant. For instance, one of my mentors and friends, Pat Flynn, has a virtual assistant named Jess. She started a couple of years ago, and she's the one that primarily checks his email, and they have a weekly meeting on Mondays to go over the emails that Pat has received. And of course, if there's anything that's more dire of importance that needs to be handled immediately, she can reach out to him and say, hey, I've got this email from, we'll say, a business that you already work with that is having an issue and needs you to get a hold of them. Or there was an issue with something and we need to have a meeting with our staff or whatever it may be. Otherwise, it's something that she does on a daily basis is goes in, checks the email, and prioritizes them for whether it's something she needs to take care of for Pat on his behalf, or if it's something that Pat needs to take care of himself in how they're going to handle it. And then they discuss it once a week, unless otherwise needed. Other tasks might include setting up social media posts for Pat, or setting up meetings with the other employees of the company, and so forth. Now, as I said, this could be an hourly job that you get paid by. It could be something that gets paid by the task itself, or it could be something where you're on a salary dedicated. No matter how much you work or how much you don't work, you get paid that specific amount each time. So check out Fiverr, Rev, Upwork, LinkedIn, or any other of the job search sites, and you'll be able to see the varying range of pay and tasks that virtual assistants get. And you can also offer your services there as well. And then you can determine what it is exactly that you want to do as a virtual assistant. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And who knows, maybe your question will be answered as one of the next video topics. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you next time.